Introducing the 2021 Skoda Octavia AMB 1.0 TSI 110 HP 4-door in striking red, packed with features like Bluetooth, cruise control, and lane departure warning for safety. Luxurious touches like air conditioning and voice control make every drive a pleasure. With ABS, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking, this car puts safety first. Plus, with a powertrain warranty and over-air updates, you can drive with peace of mind. We offer a full health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us or visit spiritskoda.ie for more information.